little berry bites for everybody. Hey friends, welcome to the party. I'm Michelle and I'm here to help you invite your friends over more and stress less. So you know me, I adore summer ripe berries. They're so good right now and there are so many ways to use them. Maybe in a little blueberry lemonade or eat them by the handful. Whatever makes you happy, do it. If you love berries as much as I do and you're looking for a simple dessert to make that will highlight those berries, can be made ahead of time to save you so much stress, and will delight your friends, I've got you covered. Today, we are gonna make some delicious mixed berry crumble bars that I know you're gonna love, so let's do it. First, we're gonna start by prepping our pan. So I've got a metal baking pan right here. I'm gonna line it with some parchment. So I'm folding it like this because it will fit into the pan easier. I buy sheet parchment because I do a lot of baking and cooking, so it's just easier for me. But if you have rolls of parchment, you can do something really similar. So it's about the right size. We're gonna spritz the bottom with a little non-stick, and that will keep the parchment in place. And do the same with the second sheet. Lining it this way really helps with getting the crumble bars out of the pan once they're cooked. So this is all set, looks pretty good to me, and we're just gonna go ahead and spritz it with a little bit more non-stick spray. You wanna use butter? Go for it. Now we are going to make our cookie base. So we're going to do 2 cups of AP flour. Three-quarters of a cup of sugar. Oh no! Oops. Should have known that was going to happen. It felt stuck in there. Okay. There's a little extra sugar in this cookie base. Oh my god. So it's going to be fine. Now we just need to add a little salt. I like to put salt in all of my baked goods because it just balances everything out. So 1.5 teaspoons is all you need there. We're gonna whisk this together. All right, that looks great. So we're just going to take some butter that's softened and we're gonna cut it in, and I like to use my fingers. So I'm just gonna crumble this up, cut it in to our flour mixture. So this is nice and crumbly, and we're just gonna add in 1 egg, which I've already beaten, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So you can go ahead and kind of toss it together, and we are gonna mix this together until it comes together, but it's still pretty crumbly. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to scoop out about a cup's worth, and this is gonna be our crumble topping. That's just gonna hang out while we make more of a mess. And throw the cookie into our lovely little prepped baking pan and just press all of this dough in there. Make sure to get up on the edges, get it in there. So you want to do your best to get a nice even layer, and if you want, you can use a dry measuring cup, that's the word I'm looking for, and just press it down so it's a nice even layer. Wow, sometimes there'll be little holes like that. Michelle, come on. It's all good. You can spritz this with a little oil, non-stick if you need to, or even put another piece of parchment down, and that would help too. All right, this looks pretty good. It's just gonna hang out while we work on our filling. So for our filling, we're gonna use the same bowl. You can just give it a little wipe out. It's all good. Don't need to dirty another dish. We're actually gonna start with 1/3 of a cup of sugar. So sugar goes in, 1/3 of a cup, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This is what's gonna thicken the filling. A little salt, just like a 1/2 teaspoon. And lemon. Lemon goes really well with berries, so we're gonna do about 1 teaspoon or so of zest. Just whisk this all together. And now we add in all of these gorgeous berries. So here's the deal. Use whatever berries you want. You will ultimately need about, I think 17 ounces is where I landed, of mixed berries. So if you want to do all blueberries or all raspberries, give it a go. All right, and now we're gonna add in a little raspberry liqueur just to give it a little extra something. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons. And just mix everything together. Easy peasy. It's gonna be so good. So pretty. All right, now this is all gonna go right into our prepped cookie dough, whatever we're calling this. You wanna get all of the stuff out of here. Now, again, I like to get in there with my hands. You know me. We're gonna make this one nice little layer. Gorgeous. All right, and then we've got that cookie reserved, and it's just going right on top for a little crumble. Oh yeah. All right, looking good. These go into the oven until the filling is nice and bubbly and the topping is a little brown. So yeah. All right, so our berry bars are out of the oven. They have cooled completely and then they chilled in the fridge for about an hour. So now we are going to take them out of this pan and eat them. So I like to use a nice big spatula to get in there, kind of loosen up the edges. There we go. Nice, and then yes, yes, yes. So pretty. I cannot wait to eat you. All right, let's cut them up. You can cut these into whatever size you want. I like smaller bite-sized pieces, but you do you. Have fun with it. Do little triangles. Make them super cute triangles. I don't care. Oh, yes, not like an edge. I really like an edge piece because I like all of that caramelization right there on the cookie portion. Okay, yes, I'm gonna eat you. It's gonna be so good. Your friends are gonna love them. But before I take a bite, and you know where this is going, if you are new to my site or if you just haven't watched all of my videos, make sure to check out some of my favorite recipes right here. Go do it. Okay. Yes, happy dance. I love all the berries, the cookie, crumb topping, and the base is like so good. Oh my god, I could eat you every single day.